Today is July 30, 2025. The time is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The temperature, estimate ko nasa over 30 degrees, mga 35, mainit. Pero kita niyo sa likod ko, yung mga itim na baka na ito yung Wagyu, yung premium cattle breed na napakamahal ng karne. In fact, ordinarily, pag talagang graded Wagyu, nasa 3,500 pesos per kilo, local. Yung upgraded, di bababa ng 1,000 pesos per kilo. So, ito, patunay na in the Philippines, Philippine condition, pwede tayong mag-alaga ng Wagyu. Mainit, walang problema. Kita nyo, nakatayo lang. Ulan, init, nandyan lang. And they're breeding. Ito yung aming herd ni Arnel Corpus. We have about 70 heads. Some of them are what we call Bragyus or Brahman Wagyu crosses, upgraded. Many of them are actually pure Wagyus, no, na nakuha namin sa Alzona Farm ng General Santos City. And etong program na to ay ini-introduce ko sa mga tourism areas like Cebu, where I serve now as food security advisor to Governor Pamela Baricuatro. Nire-recommenda ko to sa mga farmers ng Cebu, lalo na yung mga kapital na pwedeng mag-invest. Sapagkat ito yung hahanapin ng mga turista. Kung makikilala ang Cebu as Wagyu production province, tourists will certainly go to that area because there are three things that tourists go to. One, good and friendly people. Number two, historic and beautiful places. Number three, good food. Yan ang tatlong factors that will boost tourism. And kung may Wagyu ang Cebu, wow, yan ang babalik-balikan ng mga turista. So, let's do it. Kaya natin gawin sa Pilipinas, as you see here in Polumurok, South Cotabato. Mainit, kaya ng Wagyu.